Hello, my name is Fernando Rosas, and I will be speaking about climate change and how it affects our society. According to the World Health Organization, in 2012, around 7 million people died as a result of air pollution exposure. That is one of 8 of total global deaths. New data also revealed a stronger link between both indoor and outdoor air pollution exposure and cardiovascular diseases, such as strokes and ischemic heart disease, as well as between air pollution and cancer. Pollution is the greatest threat to mankind since the Black Death. After coming to terms with reality, I have come to understand that pollution is a very serious subject that needs to be addressed as soon as possible. Although many oil companies and politicians deny that climate change, which is caused by pollution, is a reality, scientists and geologists simply just disagree, and the facts are undeniable. Drastic climate change can be very dangerous for all of humanity. Climate change, which is caused by pollution, also makes the planet a lot warmer, which sounds great, but this will actually lead to serious droughts and will ruin crops and natural resources. With pollution also comes rising sea levels from the glaciers melting. Now, rising sea levels is something that is a lot more serious than it sounds. According to the National Geographic, hundreds of millions of people will become increasingly vulnerable to flooding. Higher sea levels would force them to abandon their homes and relocate. These individuals will then have to look for another home, and overpopulating will start to occur from these refugees crossing into new countries looking for a home. Amazingly, if the sea levels rise a mere 3 to 6 feet, that the oceans could swallow the entire United States east coast. Now keep in mind that the sea level has already rose somewhere between 4 to 8 inches. Now that we've seen the extent of the problem, we can explore its causes. Amazingly, there is only one major cause to this issue, and again, I repeat myself, there is only one major cause. The cause of the issue is the CO2, which is thrown out from cars' exhaust pipes, factories' exhaust pipes, and so forth, basically as a waste product from the burning gasoline. The biggest hurdle is that these large oil companies are paying lobbyists to make sure there is no restrictions put forth from the government that will affect their business or their income, leading to the dependency on oil. The extent of the problem is clear. So too are its major causes. What steps we take to help bring about a solution, you may ask? There are three major steps we can take to solve the problem. First, we need to start implementing incentives to businesses and homeowners to switch to renewable forms of energy. This will give the economy time to adjust to the changing fact that oil is simply bad for business. It will also allow for countries to lose their dependencies on oil. Second, we need to spend more money on research and development. This is a necessary investment which, if not done, can lead to weather catastrophes all over the world. Allowing for more development into renewable energy will allow for cheaper and easier methods that everybody can benefit. Third, we need to stay informed. Staying informed is crucial in making sure everyone understands the imminent danger this issue can cause. Scientific research indicates that climate change will cause hurricanes and tropical storms to become more intense, lasting longer, unleashing stronger winds, and causing more damage to coastal ecosystems and communities. Now, this plan might sound harsh or inconvenient, but it is definitely a necessary step. The evidence is clear that it would save a significant number of lives. As the genius Stephen Hawking once said, he was afraid that Earth might actually end up like Venus at 250 degrees centigrade and raining sulfuric acid. Again, that was sulfuric acid. Incredibly, 2014 alone was the hottest year ever recorded, and if you do a few searches online, you will actually see the devastating effects that has caused. Now, solving climate change is not going to happen overnight, and we need to work as a community to solve the problem efficiently. It's very easy to see climate change as an issue that won't affect you immediately. But the truth is, you have to think of the children, for the children are the future, and we have to assure their prosperity. Again, climate change is horrible for business, and my name was Fernando. Thank you.